We are born with a certain set of genes, a blueprint of life passed down through generations. These genes carry the information that shapes our physical traits, our predispositions, and even some aspects of our behavior. They are like a biological script written by our ancestors, a script that has been evolving for millions of years. For years, we believed this genetic inheritance determined our destiny. Scientists and researchers studied these genes meticulously, trying to decode the secrets they held. The prevailing thought was that our genes were the ultimate arbiters of our fate, dictating everything from our health to our potential for success. But what if I told you that you have the power to rewrite this blueprint? Imagine holding the pen that can alter the script of your life. This isn't just a fanciful idea, it's a reality grounded in the latest scientific discoveries. What if you are not a prisoner of your genes, but a master architect of your own life? Picture yourself as an architect, meticulously designing and constructing the life you desire. You have the tools and the knowledge to make significant changes, to break free from the chains of genetic determinism. This is the empowering message of epigenetics. Epigenetics is the study of how your behaviors and environment can cause changes that affect the way your genes work. Unlike genetic changes, epigenetic changes are reversible and do not change your DNA sequence, but they can change how your body reads a DNA sequence. It reveals that you are not merely a product of your genes, but an active participant in shaping your genetic expression. Your lifestyle choices, your thoughts, and your environment all play a crucial role in this process. You are not a passive recipient of genetic information. You are an active co-creator of your genetic destiny. You have the power within you to influence your genes, to turn them on or off, to optimize your health and well-being. Through regular exercise, a balanced diet, and mindfulness practices, you can create a positive environment that encourages healthy genetic expression. These choices can lead to profound changes in your physical and mental health. This is not science fiction. This is a tangible scientific reality that is being explored and validated by researchers around the world. The field of epigenetics is expanding our understanding of human potential and offering new pathways to health and wellness. This is the cutting edge of science, revealing the incredible potential that lies dormant within each of us. The discoveries being made today are opening doors to new possibilities, showing us that we have more control over our genetic destiny than we ever imagined. This journey begins with understanding the true nature of your genes. They are not immutable forces that dictate your life. Instead, they are dynamic entities that respond to the environment you create. By learning about your genes and how they interact with your lifestyle, you can take the first step towards transforming your life. They are not fixed entities dictating your fate. They are flexible and responsive, capable of adapting to the changes you make in your life. This adaptability is a powerful tool that you can harness to achieve your goals and improve your well-being. Instead, they are dynamic blueprints that respond to the environment you create, the thoughts you harbor, and the actions you take. Embrace this empowering truth. By making conscious choices and fostering a positive environment, you can influence your genetic expression in ways that promote health, happiness, and success. You are not your genes. You are a powerful being with the ability to shape your own destiny. The choices you make every day, the thoughts you think, and the actions you take all contribute to the life you create. You are the architect of your own destiny. Embrace this role with confidence and creativity. Design a life that reflects your true potential, and watch as your genetic blueprint transforms to support your highest aspirations. Imagine a light switch. It's a simple device, yet it holds the power to transform a room. You can turn the light on or off, instantly changing the room's ambience from dark to bright or vice versa, without ever touching the wiring behind the walls. Epigenetics works in a similar fashion. It doesn't alter your DNA sequence, the fundamental blueprint of your being, but it controls how your genes are expressed, much like a light switch controls the lighting. Think of your DNA as a vast library of information, an immense collection of knowledge stored within you. Each gene is like a book containing specific instructions for building and maintaining your body, detailing everything from eye color to metabolic processes. Epigenetics acts as a meticulous librarian, determining which books are accessed and read at any given time, ensuring the right information is used when needed. These epigenetic marks, like bookmarks or highlighters, tell your cells which genes to activate and which to keep silent, guiding the cellular machinery. This understanding revolutionizes our view of genetics, offering a more nuanced perspective. It dismantles the deterministic view that genes are our unchanging fate, showing that our genetic expression can be influenced. Instead, it unveils a dynamic interplay between our genes and our environment, a continuous dialogue that shapes who we are. This environment encompasses everything that surrounds us: the air we breathe, the food we consume, the relationships we nurture, and the activities we engage in, and even the thoughts we entertain. Our mental state, stress levels, and overall well-being can all influence our epigenetic marks, highlighting the profound connection between mind and body. By understanding epigenetics, we gain insight into how lifestyle choices and environmental factors can impact our health and development. This knowledge empowers us to make informed decisions, fostering a proactive approach to health and well-being. As research in this field advances, it holds the promise of new therapies and interventions, potentially transforming medicine and our approach to treating diseases. Epigenetics is not just a scientific concept, it's a key to unlocking a healthier future where we can better understand and influence the factors that shape our lives. Imagine identical twins separated at birth. They start their lives with the same genetic code, a blueprint that holds the potential for who they can become. They share the same DNA blueprint, a complex map of their genetic potential. Yet, as they grow up in different environments, their life experiences will shape them into distinct individuals. One might live in a bustling city, while the other in a quiet countryside. One twin raised in a loving, supportive home might flourish, developing confidence and a strong sense of self-worth. The other, facing hardship and neglect, might struggle, encountering challenges that could hinder their development and well-being. This stark contrast illustrates the profound impact of environment on gene expression. Just like a tree that thrives or withers depending on its surroundings, our genes respond to the conditions we live in. From the air we breathe to the relationships we cultivate, our surroundings influence our epigenetic marks. These marks can turn genes on or off, affecting how our bodies function. Toxic pollutants in the environment can switch on genes that increase the risk of disease, making us more susceptible to illnesses. Conversely, a diet rich in fresh fruits and vegetables can activate genes that promote longevity and well-being, supporting our health at a cellular level. The people we surround ourselves with also play a crucial role. Positive, supportive relationships can enhance our mental and physical health. Loving relationships create a nurturing environment, fostering resilience and well-being, while chronic stress can leave its mark on our genes, potentially leading to long-term health issues. Recognizing this power of the environment allows us to make conscious choices that support our well-being. By choosing healthy foods, engaging in regular physical activity, and fostering positive relationships, we can influence our genetic expression. By curating a nurturing environment, we can influence our genes to express health, vitality, and resilience. Simple practices like meditation, spending time in nature, and creating a peaceful home environment can have profound effects on our genetic destiny. Ultimately, understanding the interplay between our genes and our environment empowers us to take control of our genetic destiny. By making mindful choices, we can shape a healthier, more vibrant future for ourselves and generations to come. The environment's impact is undeniable, but what about our internal world? What about the power of our thoughts? Groundbreaking research reveals that our thoughts, beliefs, and perceptions also influence our genes. Every thought sends a cascade of chemical signals through our bodies, influencing gene expression. Positive thoughts, like seeds sown in fertile ground, can activate genes that promote health and happiness. Conversely, negative thoughts, like weeds choking a garden, can trigger genes that lead to disease and despair. This mind-body connection is not merely a philosophical concept. It's a scientific reality with profound implications for our lives. If our thoughts can influence our genes, then we have the power to rewrite our genetic destiny through the power of our minds. By cultivating positive thoughts, beliefs, and emotions, we can create an internal environment that fosters well-being at a cellular level.